Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to be shooting Aquila for this photo shoot here. It's about 5 p.m. in Austin, Texas at the Arboretum. Shooting with the Canon R5 using the Canon RF 28-70 f2. I'm actually shooting right at f2. I've got my shutter speed stopped way up in order to just have the ambient light behind her lit. And I've got my AD400 using that Godox system here in order to light her from the front. I was hoping the sun would be out so I can get some backlight with the sun, but it was really overcast, and so we just kind of had to deal. So we're doing a few different locations here around the same area, and it'll give it a different look for each one. So enjoy the video. If you like what you see here, give us a thumbs up and then subscribe. But otherwise, enjoy.
All right, so we just wrapped up this photo shoot. Myself and Aquila. She did a great job. She's a fantastic model. Follow her on Instagram. What's your Instagram?
The_boss_mom.
We're gonna have it down in the description. Just click on that. Also, like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. See more of this. See you all in the next video.
Bye.